It's obvious that this assassination would make this confrontation more complicated and even more dangerous. It is absolutely unprecedented and a big violation of international law that a leader of another country is assassinated by foreign forces. So that would make this conflict or this war of aggression by Americans against us even more dangerous, more complicated, and would add perhaps new aspects to that. As you know, Ayatollah Khamenei was not only the political leader of Iran, but it was a high-ranking, religious leader for millions of Muslims, even outside of Iran, across the region. So I'm sure you have seen the protests and demonstrations, not only in Iran, all cities of Iran, but also in Iraq, in Pakistan, and some other places. And it was very unfortunate for me to see that those demonstrators have been killed by the guards of the United States Consulate General in Karachi. So this is a very dangerous act, and it takes perhaps lots of efforts to somehow control the damages which it can create.